Hello everyone, welcome back to Naoko's Happy Donabe Life. Today I will show you how to make chicken dashi ramen. Since I grew up in Tokyo, my favorite style of ramen has always been a simple shoyu ramen, which is considered to be Tokyo's traditional style ramen. I especially like it when the broth base is chicken dashi. So here's my version of shoyu ramen with chicken and kombu dashi. Okay, so here are the ingredients. To make really good ramen, it's all about making good dashi. So I'm gonna make chicken and kombu dashi. So kombu adds nice layer of umami flavors, and this is already soaked in water and sake for about half an hour. So the size becomes about twice as big. So I cut in half already. And then I have chicken wings, and these are salt marinated for about a few hours and patted dry. And I have the top part of green onions, garlic clove, sliced ginger, black peppercorn, and of course really good ramen, and other ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna start making the chicken and kombu dashi. So kombu is already soaked in water and sake in the donabe. So I'm gonna add the salt seasoned chicken here. So chicken will release a lot of flavors. Now I'm gonna start adding the aromatics. So the top part of green onion and sliced ginger and a clove of garlic and the peppercorn, black peppercorn. That's it. So I'm gonna put this over the stove and start making the dashi. So now I'm gonna set the donabe over medium to medium high heat and slowly bring it to a simmer. As soon as the liquid starts boiling, remove the kombu. Reduce the heat to simmer, skim, and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. You can turn off the heat and let it rest for 1 hour longer. This is also a very important part. During the cooling down period, the chicken will release more flavors and the umami level in the stock continues to increase. Okay, so this has been resting for a little over an hour. Oh, it smells so good. The aroma is so beautiful. This is an all-purpose dashi, so I use this for not just for making ramen, but I also like to use it for simple soup, hot pot, or cook rice with it. You can also make a large batch of it and freeze any leftover for another use. Strain the dashi and measure 2.5 cups of it. The bonus of this dashi is that you can eat the cooked chicken too. Now debone the chicken and set aside, so I will add some to the ramen. Now I'm gonna make the broth. So here the dashi is already simmering in a small donabe. The seasoning is really simple. I'm gonna use just the tamari soy sauce and sea salt. So it's very important to use the high quality tamari soy sauce because it doesn't just add the color, but it adds a nice flavor to it too. Deep flavor. So I'm gonna add it now. And the sea salt. That's it. And it smells really outstanding. Cook the ramen according to the package instructions. Drain well and transfer to a bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna plate the ramen. So first, I pour the broth. Okay, this is pretty good. Here's the chicken. The eggs. Okay, ramen is ready. I'm gonna eat now. And the broth. This is so good. The mouthfeel is pretty light, but the flavor is so deep and complex. And honestly, the broth is just so good. I can just drink all up. And I will still feel so light and healthy. And yeah, it's really the simple ramen, but with the good ingredients, you can make it so good. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Donabe life!